How to add a PIN to Roblox account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device. Then, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen and click on Settings. After you're in the settings, on the left side, click on Account Info. In Account Info, you will find login methods. Click on Add Passkey. After that, press on Continue in here, which will lead you to this page. In here, as you can see, you will need to enter a code. Code will be sent to your mail. Make sure you check the mail and add code in here and press on Verify at the bottom. After it's verified, your password will be added, which will be your fingerprint, Face ID, or screen lock, which are already available on your device. Then you can click on the gear icon at the top right and click on Quick Sign In. You will find this kind of screen. You will find code in other device. You can enter the code here and press on Enter and you will be able to log in with the PIN. This is how to add a PIN to Roblox account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.